Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in conversion rate optimization, we'll discuss about in-page analytics. What are in-page analytics? How in-page analytics will help you in analyzing the performance of a particular page in the analytics. Let's get started with it. What in the first place is in-page analytics? When you view a web page from which you have Google Analytics access, you will see the following information. The page views, unique page views, average time on the page views, the bounce rate, the exit rate of the active visitors in real time in-page analytic click analysis. The basic point I am trying to stretch over here is the fact that when you actually have a website and Google Analytics already integrated in your website, each and every page can be analyzed individually depending upon the requirements to which your page is serving the visitors. You may be having the services, you may be having the solutions, you may be having the products, or you may be having multiple other pages on your website, and each and every page can be analyzed individually in terms of the total page views for that particular page, the unique page views, the unique visitors who are coming to that particular page, average time spent by the users, the bounce rate if there is anything on the bounce rate for that particular page, and the exit and the number of active visitors in real time in page analysis. Besides from accessing information other than that is provided yesterday in terms of the total traffic coming to your website, you can also check the in-page analytics to get the real-time visitors coming to your website in real time as of now as we speak. And this is precisely what in-page analysis is all about in Google Analytics. The other way of looking at it is, after you install the extension of your Google Chrome, you can see a load page that you are tracking with the web analytics and see the following information. Through the Google Chrome, when you install that particular page and have that analytics information available, through the Chrome extension, you can actually see the following information. In terms of the metrics, you can see the page views, unique page views, average time spent by the user on that particular page, the bounce rate, and the percentage of the exit. You can see the number of active visitors in real time. This is the most important point, the fact that you can actually view the visitors in real time, who are the people coming to your page in real time, where they are coming from, and what is the location of that particular page in terms of demography, in terms of geography. And you also have the in-page analysis on that particular. By default, the information appears in the scorecards across the top of the page in the browser itself, and this is the information that will be actually displayed for you as far as in-page analytics through the Google Chrome extension is concerned. The other way of looking the in-page analytics is by giving a data range. Data range basically provides you the complete analytical information of your website in terms of traffic, in terms of page views, in terms of sessions, in terms of bounce rate, and in terms of the demography and the geography of the users. And you can set the data range based on your personal precise requirements. And what are the requirements? You can set a date from a particular week to week, you can set a date from a particular month to month, and you can also set a range for a particular year to a particular year. Here you can set the data range like this. Here you have got from 1 month to the next month, or you can see the data range here, and when you set the data range and you actually apply it, you will see the data range completely displayed for you in terms of the page analytics. And this is setting the data range in page analytics. Now we come actually to the other important aspect. They are called as the bubbles. Bubbles in analytics basically mean in real time and also in the previous performance of your Google Analytics display of the website, you can actually check what are the key elements and items of a particular page is being viewed in terms of the percentage. If you see the bubbles here, these are basically called as the bubbles in analytics, and these bubbles in analytics will provide you the information precisely to the point, to the kind of products that are viewed by the visitors. Here this is the particular product and the percentage is 4%. It means the total number of visitors who are coming is actually the 4% of the total number of visitors who are actually viewed this product, this product, this product. This is 1.4, this is 3.5. And you also have the information here, you also have the information. These are basically called as bubbles, which provide you clear cut analytical information in terms of the kind of traffic that is coming to the website, and in terms of the traffic coming to a particular website, and also in terms of traffic coming and viewing a particular product on your website. These bubbles actually play a very important role in analyzing the traffic that is coming to your website. So you can actually go in for continuous improvement in terms of improving your conversion rates. Here we have actually got the segmentation. When you talk about the segmentation, you actually get the information to a specific point in terms of the geography, in terms of demography, in terms of gender, in terms of age groups, and in terms of a particular city or a country. Here you have actually got the segmentations. Now I want to see the segmentation for all the traffic that is coming to a website, which is $100 visitors who have actually purchased the products. You can have these segmentations available here. I want to see the traffic that is coming to a website between the age group of say 18 to 34. If I select this particular option and submit it, I will get all the traffic that is coming to a website of this particular age group, and the complete information is available for me in the analytics. The same way you can select all the segmentations, whatever the segmentations you want, and also you can select all segmentations here. You will get the complete analytical information as far as your website performance is concerned. Now we have actually got the account property and view. What is an account, what is a property, and what is a view in analytics? The account is basically an account of a particular person. Then we have got the properties. Properties are actually basically the domain name, the website that are already integrated in your Google Analytics. Let's say for example, if you have one Google Analytics account, you can have multiple websites in that, and each property is each website is actually identified in terms of the properties available for that particular website and views of that particular property. It means the particular website. Here got the clear segmentation of the analytics account, the properties, and the views. Analytics account is one particular account, properties are the one website or the multiple website, and actually views of any particular website. And this is how actually the in-page analytics segmentation works. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is in-page analytics, how in-page analytics works, the data range, the bubbles, the segments, and actually the account property and views. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.